Meaning of embarkation.
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 Embarkation. Embarkation refers to the act of boarding a ship or other form of transportation. It is the process of getting on board and beginning a journey. The result of embarkation is that the individual or group begins their travels, leaving their current location and moving towards their intended destination. This can be a momentous occasion, signifying a new chapter in one's life or a significant milestone in a journey. Proper planning and preparation for embarkation can ensure a smooth and successful start to a voyage.